about 4 hours now, and so far the car has done absolutely perfect. No issues. I was able to recharge the AC a bit, so that's keeping us comfortable, as well as normal driving. The clutch is holding, keep it out of boost, full torque it in the higher gears, and we have been doing good. So trying to make it to Salt Lake tonight, and then back on the road tomorrow. Good morning from Utah. So just made our coffee stop for the morning. Black Rifle Coffee, not sure if you can see that. Car has been running great. I think we put about 9 hours on it now, about 500 miles, and no issues to date other than babying the clutch. So let's get back on the road, see if we can see some mountains, some cool sights. Got a few stops for the day, but ultimately we need to get this car home by Sunday about noon. So we still got about 1,300 miles to go. So let's go.